Are you tired of rising electricity bills? Introducing the Power Grid Generator, a unique DIY system designed to help homeowners better understand and manage their energy usage. With step-by-step guidance, this beginner-friendly guide shows you how to build a small-scale generator using common materials and simple tools. So, what exactly is the Power Grid Generator? It's a digital educational guide that teaches users how to assemble a compact energy system using coils, magnets, and a small motor. Rather than replacing your home's electricity supply, it works alongside existing systems to improve efficiency and provide additional support during power interruptions. At its core, the Power Grid Generator is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction, the same scientific concept used in modern power generation. By moving magnets around copper coils, the system produces electrical current and demonstrates how energy can be generated and reused more efficiently. The guide also focuses on understanding energy recovery and reducing wasted power, helping users explore practical ways to maximize electricity usage at home. Many DIY enthusiasts appreciate the educational aspect of the project. Some users enjoy learning how energy systems work, while others value having a small backup power source for emergencies or off-grid situations. The step-by-step format makes the project approachable even for beginners with little technical experience. Interestingly, the concept is inspired by the work of Michael Faraday, one of the pioneers of electrical science. His discoveries in electromagnetic induction helped shape the foundation of modern electricity generation, and this guide aims to make those principles easier to understand for everyday people. One of the biggest advantages of the Power Grid Generator is its simplicity. It operates quietly, does not rely on fuel, and encourages greater awareness of energy consumption. Many people are drawn to the idea of becoming more self-reliant and learning practical skills related to alternative energy. Of course, it's important to understand that this is a small-scale DIY project and not a replacement for a full household power system. Assembly requires patience, attention to detail, and a willingness to learn. But for people interested in hands-on projects and energy independence, it can be an engaging and rewarding experience. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, someone curious about alternative energy, or simply looking to better understand how electricity works, the Power Grid Generator offers an interesting way to explore energy concepts from home. If you'd like to learn more about how the Power Grid Generator works, check the official website for additional details and educational resources.